own work. Make they allow them do their work. Make the thing no cause quarrel. From that one, we enter inside the one when we say former Minister for Information, Oga Labramaku, come out and talk, say, make them come out immunity clause inside our constitution. Say that one they give governors, especially the ginger, to they dip their hand inside the pocket of our country and they spend money anyhow. We can't end them with two stories when I know say it go touch you. One are striking doctors for inside Osun State. Since October 28, the doctors, they don't talk, say, based on say they know they treat them like human being, say they no go walk the work again. And the Osun State governor been tell them, say, if they no resume, say, go sack them. They tell them, say, make him go ahead with the sacking. Say they know they fear because injection no be needle. Person wey injection and person wey get experience. We can't talk about to one final story when happen inside Kwara. Say primary school teachers, they talk say, it be like say the only thing when the Kwara State governor know now say their reward they heaven. They can't go inside New Testament, can't quote the part when the Bible talk say they take it by force. Can't talk say if they no sort them or say they go down their tools. And as we they speak so now the children when they for primary school for inside Kwara State now house now they sit down. All of these ones now we discuss on Monday when pass so.
And on Tuesday, as usual, from waiting Chuku don't talk, we can still enter into the issue of the 4.7 billion naira motor money. That is the one with them budgets now motor they will take buy. And out of this money, we hear say Oga Presido, the motor they go buy for Oga Presido, say now about 400 million naira. Oga Presido don't for the press chat where he hold with some of our press people. He talks say look, say you go need to talk to these people. Say look, in fact this money they too much. He did too exorbitant to say he won't spend that kind of amount for motor. Say the motor where he even get at the moment where he collects, where he inherit from our past time Presido. Say he still dey kajal, he still dey very very strong. Say the motor will feel last for 10 good years. And now Oga Presido talk. As part of that, he can't talk say, look, this money, he get a lot of things we channel this money into. We go do it, we go make sense. Pass all these exotic cars where they claim say they want to take and buy. But some of the senators don't come and talk, say, look, Oga Presido, it is not your right to come tell us how we want to spend money. As long as we don't get budget, we go decide how we want to spend this budget and how we want channel the budget to. So for the car issue, say, no, you don't just get mount. See, it is our right as the legislators to decide what we want to decide. You are the executive, with the head of the executive arm. Just mind your own business. Let us also mind our own business. And we'll still wait for the continuation of this action film. We could see as we go take and whether Oga Presido go succumb to all this matter, or be the legislators go also accept to the decision of Oga Presido. We stay wait.
On Wednesday, we discussed one particular issue when we say they touch plenty people's hearts inside Obodo, Nigeria. And our Ogbonge visitor, Comrade Murphy Abadoni, joined us to chook mouth inside the matter. It get to do with the $2.1 billion arms money where they talk say just wear coin shoe and mini skirt, rub lipstick, con carry waka disappear inside our country account. All the latest gist when come out from that story now we drop down that they say the former acting national chairman of the PDP, Dr. Hali Rubelo and his son and their company, the three of them, they carry them go Federal High Court. And the Federal High Court come talk say based on everything when they don't check, say the allegation when they level against them, say they will give themselves, if they feel meet 600 million naira bail, say may they just go house, go rest. All this one now we discuss on top of that day. And all the latest gist wey follow say the talk person of the People's Democratic Party when happen on Tuesday, Chief Olisametu say the EFCC they just block am for im house, tell am say they get information say some kind things happen inside im account when he need to explain. And as we still speak at this moment, in dey there they answer plenty questions. That now Wednesday gist on top of Acid the Hot.
The police is your friend. Shana true or false? That the matter we discussed yesterday, and we can carry one Ogbonge guest. That is Oga Joe Ofo, will be the public relation officer of police for Lagos State, and carry enter our studio. He can't explain the relationship between police people and Nigerians. Say look, say it don't even go beyond whether if the police is your friend. Say that is the relationship don't dey beyond. It don't dey too tight. Say make you know they take the eye where they take look police. Say that bad eye where they take look police, say you know too good. Say it high time don't come where we go fit at least establish a very stronger relationship. Because if you look around you, if you say you don't enter one kasala, you don't see anybody to help. The only person, you don't see anybody go help you. The only person where go feel cry, go meet, go say, okay, see the problem are they now police, and as a result of that, let the police be your friend, so that we go feed they do it. They move this country forward. Now, waiting Oga Joe for we come with visitors yesterday. We be our guest on the program yesterday. Now, waiting in talk be that.
Una don't hear all our gist from Monday go reach Thursday. Make make I just sharply put the small chops inside as it take get to do with all the latest things when they happen inside Nigeria political arrangement before we try and give our ogbonge visitor to take them one by one, especially the one we get to do with the strike for inside Kwara State, because this one they affect the future of Nigerian children. We get information say the Oga Patapata of IMF, Madam Christine Lagarde, say she carry waka enter inside Obodo, Nigeria. People come they talk say this woman when waka enter inside is our country, so say IMF they know they waka without any condition, no. But she don't come out raise her two hands say my hands are clean. Say the reason why she come now to follow us look our budget, come give advice on wetin we go do. Plenty people don't tell Oga President to shine in eye, say make him no go slack at all, because those people and other Bretton Woods institutions, as people they call them, they get some kind of things when we say that they do like Maradona or Ronaldinho. We go also check the one we get to do with Oga Olisametu, the talk person of the PDP. Information come out yesterday saying talk say in the fear say they go put something inside in food and in drink, say don't embark on hunger strike. So for like 2 days now, he never chop anything, and in the talk saying they use them to register in displeasure on the way when we say EFCC they treat them. And in family don't come out come talk say if they talk saying commit any offense, make them charge them go court, as the thing they inside our constitution, no be for them to they keep them inside in office. We can't give them this important gist, but we no go talk them too much. Everybody knows say December 5th, 2015, election gubernatorial happened inside Bayelsa State. But for Southern Ijaw local government, we hear say some kind of arrangement enter inside the matter. And in contact say the election will happen tomorrow when be January 8th. That is the one will go happen inside Southern Ijaw. We they enjoin everybody when they inside that Southern Ijaw and inside Bayelsa. Say make them behave themselves well. Election no be fight. If we vote those when go represent us to move this our country forward or the state, then go do the work. Make we leave them like that. Madam Rhoda, once again, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Thank you.
As you say, just they look our mouth, as the thing just they go spring, as we dey yarn the thing for PG. We no go waste time. Quickly, and we go just take them sharp. Before we can't dwell on this one when they're very, very important, because people like say, nobody they talk about them at all, because the teachers for Kwara don't talk say, they don't get any voice. People no send them at all. And make we start with this very important one. The 4.7 billion, when they talk say they want use and buy some kind of fine motor. We know say people when we elect to represent us, they're supposed they okay. They're supposed they okay. But you think say 4.7 billion, because they talk the specification of the motor, na big motor. You think say it's too much,
It's too much, my brother.
You know, allow me even finish the question.
Too much. No, finish them.
Now American model.
There's no exotic.
I don't see them for news. It's too much.
It's too much.
They no get motor before.
They get,
but this is an official.
You know, there is everything na double.
This official motor where they get now, which kind of motor it be?
They describe them well. It's not exotic. You know how exotic car they be. They go get everything inside.
Why our legislators them go they use exotic motor now?
Because they are the choosing ones. They are the choosing ones.
The money too much. We don't get that money. The money no dey. The money no dey. So they no fit spend that kind of money for motor. Then go find basic motor where everybody they use. They're not that special. Wetin dey special inside them body. Now work then go work for us. And now we then they represent.
Exactly.
Nothing they do them. If they get security, then get security detail where I know say go follow them. So if those people they follow them, waiting they need them, waiting they want need an armored vehicle. They want.
You know say
more live like that.
No live am.
With the soft voice where she don't use talk. I know say they don't hear. Una no fit use.
I hope so they will hear.
Una no fit use.
No, make them hear.
No, the soft voice when she use. No need to go the next one. Una don't hear. Una no fit use them. Make we go straight to the next one.
No, now you don't talk about the 4 point something. We
arms money. Arms.
We don't hear about the arms. We don't see the drama or the player for this arm money. From $2.1 billion. We don't see say the money that is the hand we don't they reach out to. We don't they plenty. But madam, no consi. This na money we they say they want to buy arms. During when Boko Haram brigade happen. Right about now, we don't hear say the money. Rather than say they can buy them, they can't do it. They can't spend lavishly for different activities.
And they share them.
Okay, this matter what we do on ground now. What do you say the government go fit do so that at least make we see say this matter then bring her to a good end. Nobody waiting we go just hear say we don't hear. In the end, these people go still carry leg.
We not go agree make the matter die. We the citizens, now our hand day.
You sure say we no go tire?
We no go tire.
Because we don't see them over time.
Na lie, we no go tire. Now, Tebi na waiting Oga President talk. Say make una, especially una wait there for this work.
Me I dey do am, I no know from
No, don't point at me, please. Respect yourself. We have a woman in our midst. She's a mother. She is, in fact, she be able to just respect yourself. Act like a gentleman. Let me act like one.
Oga President don't talk say make una do investigative something.
Yes, journalism.
Make una no green, make this story.
So make we follow up.
We go follow and una go make sure say even if we want forget them. Una no go let us forget them. Every day una go dey knack am for story. Una go dey put am for down. They tell us say, see now waiting dem dey talk. This thing not true. This thing not be true. Now the way we will be the citizens. Now we go watch them. Now we go watch them pass. But I won't believe say this government as then they talk zero corruption. Now that's if the corruption we go use judge them. We go judge them on top the same thing.
So now their own standard.
Now their own standard when they put
judge them.
Now we go use judge them.
But Madam Rhoda, may I quickly add this one? Somehow we don't see hands, but then you get one kind of drama where they normally play out for Obodo Nigeria. Once you don't catch one person, you go see people from that is people will be saying where come from, where this person come from. Because they come and say, leave our son alone, leave our pikin alone. What do you do? Now be the first person who go chop money. I be the first person who go they corrupt. Make now leave her. After all, other people where they corrupt in the past. Now not do anything. Make now leave her. Say you notice say this thing they no go even encourage that fight against corruption. Once they start to play, they say and play out somehow.
Not true. It go encourage them, but the truth be say, if the government mean the plan with them talk, even if people want, now today people begin cry. If people mama will not say picking thief, he go tell and say I beg make no verse, no be saying John like that.
Na mistake.
Say na devil, no be today. Now so it did normal. That one no be new story. We don't sabi am before.
Make we just make we no listen. Make we just carry on with the action.
Make government go as them don't talk say they no want corruption. Now them that the amount now we go use make sure say then go do the work when they supposed to do. These people if they cry finish. Maybe they say they for court.
Yes.
And make court do what you're supposed to do.
Exactly. And to even come add, based on say you don't talk, say, and at their standard, we use judge them. Information come out yesterday, say, you get one person when we say, they talk, say, oh, people they call an ally. They say an ally of Oga Presido. Say two of them don't know from the days of CPC. And now one time gubernatorial candidate of the CPC for inside Kano State. Him be former military administrator of Kaduna State, retired Brigadier General Jafaru Issa. They call him APC chieftain. Say EFCC, them they write invitation to give and say, it be like say we see some kind things when enter inside your account. He can't reply them say somebody for a family buy say may they give us some more time. They can't tell us say be like say you no serious. They can't enter inside the house go carry him. So the way when the thing there now it be like say anybody will benefit from this thing whether he did this party or he did that party he go answer him man. Don't move forward. No move forward. We get DSP PPRO of Nigeria Police Lagos State Police Command when come here yesterday when come talk say they talk about say police is your friend is no longer tenable. He say now police is your friend and your helper. I go give it you just make we talk. Just use your church mind. You agree say police now not be say they talk say me you talk say but somehow you agree say police now your friend and helper. Now your own question.
I never see that one happen before.
You never see her?
No.
You never experience them at all?
I never see where police be my friend before.
At all?
Even as I did, if how me and police don't see, the only time when we they see now for road.
When they go say
I never commit crime. Then go park me for road. Madam, bring your particulars. I bring the something. Madam, okay, which one? You get this woman, you get everything. Or how you take, they do all this kind of thing. I don't hear that kind of talk before. You can't get all your papers. Why you go get everything now? We be say, you know, make at least you go do something, make we to find us, we go take the enjoy. Police never, my direct sister don't get problem one time. Go for police, you get problem with husband. You go for police. You don't see where police not the support woman. No. You go say maybe it say you don't go do one thing for back door where nobody know. The woman they beg them say no be so. Say they want make them come their house, make him come see waiting they happen for your house. Say your husband won't finish them. Policeman tell them for police station. Say madam, this thing where they talk, you just say you know find your husband trouble. Which kind of police, which kind of friend be that?
Even the DSP when come here yesterday agree say some people they inside police say they be bad egg. And he go encourage Nigerians say make all of us as a people, because police have the human being and from our us, from our society, now they come from. Make we do our best to ensure, say, the command of police, the organ them, make we tell them as things they go, so that they go know.
No be we go tell them. Now them go tell them people. Then go train them people. Make them do what they're supposed to do. And make government to help them, because police, they're so important to us as our life.
Yes.
So if we as citizens want get problem, we know if you go on to police, make police open door for us, see us well, help us at least, even if not lie or not true we talk, make them just pretend say not true we talk. Help us make we see how we go take solve the problem. That's what the problem.
You know, say police. So part of it, Joe, that is Joe talk. Say. So they don't go just say, okay, then bring Manta, maybe just okay, now so it happen. They go need to also carry out their own investigates, intensive investigates, so that at least they go feel no say, oh, true. Okay, now like this thing be or no be like this it be.
Not true now. They're supposed to carry their own investigate. But as they won't carry their own, then go open door for you, make you be understand. Not be if you reach there, they'll tell you, say, Madam, I beg, you don't this thing, no be waiting we're supposed to come out for. Maybe you go find your husband trouble. It's just say no be you do am, no be so police supposed to. So people they talk say whether police now your friend. Person will be your friend. If you get problem, wetin be the first thing the person go do? He go listen to you, not be so. Police is your helper. That one another extension of helping, because first of all, person go be your friend before you go become your helper. And sometimes some people they help self without thinking, but natural thing say person go be your friend, and then after you go help you. So first step not to be friend. Friend go listen to you. Friend go want understand. Friend go even take your side first.
True.
Not be so.
True.
So he go take your side first. Make them take our side first. Make you listen to me. Make you open door for me. Make you understand. Make you know throw hand for make I give am money first. My friend no go ask me for money first now if he want solve my problem. Abi?
Madam Rhoda, the way we take answer for the first time since we don't start this as the hot, you don't break record. Now the first time we say all the things we carry come, you just answer that. No. The way we take answer everything, if not be said the time see them for your your end and
they try, you won't buy interest. We know. I mean, she don't talk, and she has spoken well like the mother and the madam where she be. So you could no can they try fine tune now.
What be spoken well? Everything when you do, your music with the show. She has spoken well. Dressed like bouncer come on Friday.
Please,
spoken well.
Respect yourself.
You are the one that should respect yourself. We get admirable, amiable,
thank you,
and adorable, everything able. Guess for they talk. I say you don't break record. You tell me say this. Why go there? Since another man go through with it. They play village.
Enough of this your mango tree game with me. I don't warn you. Enough of this your mango tree. It not be today, but last year. You still can't enter this year. Respect yourself, please.
No, we discuss the one way.
Not be start.
Okay, no verse.
Better. So, Madam Rhoda, we don't touch leg for all the batters, but no one can enter for the one we be saying it concern everybody because everybody don't go through these stages, and some people still go through these same stages, and now stage we say we no go ever finish because education, it is very, 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 very important for our country, Nigeria. That is for the world entirely because. Now education don't lead to wait till we don't become here today.
So.
You understand? But we say people will be saying that then they put information for your head. When they lie to you, they give you different ways. Say when they don't turn us to waiting. Maybe they come they owe you money, Madam Rhoda. For Kwara, now this one they happen for Kwara. Primary school teachers they will say now the platform of education. Now there they start from.
Now the bedrock now.
Madam,
there they start from.
What you need to talk about this one?
The thing tire me. The thing tire me. I think say by now, say this 2016 at least where we don't enter. Even make we saw say 2015 where we don't pass. I think say by now, say we no go dey talk say with the old teacher.
Primary school teachers for that matter. When they teach small children.
Small children. Where these children go there? In the problem what we get for education, it's too big. So sometimes if I sleep, I go they think. And sometimes I go just wake up from sleep.
The thing go shock you.
You go just shock me. Say which day we want to solve this problem? Because the problem too big. People will be say they teach our children for our government school. Will be say at least they no go pay money go school. They don't get them free. You can't want to owe the teacher. You know they respect them. They don't say, give us money. Government, give us money. Give us, make we fit work. How teacher won't live in house, come house? If in they go, if for your own family, in no fee eat. How you want take teach? How you want to teach? Even if I think they teach, I don't teach. Anytime teaching, they take your energy.
Yes. Talk alone.
If you talk from now till 10 o'clock, the way, if you not eat, you won't go teach another class. Now, so beats you go to beat the children.
Frustration.
Out of frustration. So even they don't try, they don't know, say, and we know if they do this thing. Even they go for there, go sit down. They're not, some of them thought say then they enter class, then go just sit down. Because they no fit teach. Nothing go there.
No motivation.
No motivation. So I then wonder to myself, say, what be the problem? Where be say they never pay them. Now the question I want to ask Kwara State government. I beg, what be the problem?
Madam Rhoda, will come talk that problem. They talk say October, November, December. That now one full term. They never collect their salary. And the striking workers come talk say, based on say them pay senior people when they teach SS, but they don't pay them when they teach GSS and primary. Say they go down their tools. And the top person of the APC for inside Kwara State, Alhaji Suleiman Buhari come out talk say, make the teachers there, make them fear God. No, in quote, he say make them fear God. Say no be say they no want pay them, but the money to pay them now no day. Say like say the money to pay them day, the governor for don't pay them just like he know they pay for 5 years. But we come break am down. How money no day to pay GSS and primary school teachers? Meanwhile, money day to pay SS them.
Yes.
Because the SS students, they inside class. Now the GSS them, they play. And the teachers don't say, they never collect money for 3 months.
3 months.
I know, not beside they talk with that, but say sense, they inside that reason. Sense when you give, them. Say money no day. Meanwhile, you pay SS, you don't pay GSS for 3 months.
No,
one could be APC state.
Yes, please.
Don't beg me, please. Is it not APC state?
It is still our country, Nigeria.
Before, is it Cameroon?
Kwara is a part of Nigeria.
No, Kwara is a part of Germany.
So it is a collective
Kwara
problem.
is a part of Germany.
That collective issue we need to find solution to, not just refer and to me.
Now you know say it's a part of Nigeria.
It has always been a part of Nigeria.
And you remember say you people are still owing us 5,000. But that's another case for another day.
Do I look like a government official to you?
Oh, before election, what do they do here? They talk.
And they talk say we need change.
It could be. You see, yes, they will trace you.
Make Madam Rhoda answer.
They will trace you.
They will trace you. They will trace you.
No, they point me eyes.
The truth be say, is it possible say they don't get money? The truth be say, whether we like them or not, this country money no day again. Money no day. So it's not be say then they lie, say they no get money. It's possible say they no get money.
Madam Rhoda, I beg.
But if they no get money, then can't they, how we want take pay? How you go now take pay senior secondary school? No compare one. Why be say now that won't be the plan? I feel to say we get brain to think widely. So if to say you want to pay small.
At least may they get something.
Everybody gets the same percentage.
Period, this go enter. Where we say they need
3 whole months.
You no get money. You say you no get money. You no go come take some people pay them. Take some people no pay them.
No pay them.
Spread the payment. Do percentage payments. Beg them. Say I beg. Just take them. Make everybody get this percentage for now. Say now this percentage. This we get. Make we spread them around all of them. Why pay some? No pay some.
Madam Rhoda, this is where you don't talk now. For me, now you be the governor of Kwara. Because you just give solution to the problem. For me, quickly our people when they for us, we go rush, enter inside this small break. When we go the break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it is.
For you.
See simple solution to problem.
Why?
Simple solution to problem.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.